In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use a Smartsheet dashboard. A Smartsheet dashboard is a visual summary of your work. It helps you bring important information into one clear view so you and your team can quickly understand project status, key metrics, charts, and updates without opening multiple sheets. Dashboards are especially useful when you want to present progress to stakeholders or give your team an easy place to monitor what matters most. To get started, open Smartsheet and create a new dashboard. This gives you a blank space where you can build a central view of your information. Think of it as your project's control center. As you set it up, keep your audience in mind. If the dashboard is for a team, you may want more detailed operational information. If it's for leadership or stakeholders, a simpler, high-level summary usually works best. Next, begin adding widgets. Widgets are the building blocks of your dashboard, and they allow you to display information in different formats. You can add charts to visualize trends or progress, metrics to highlight important numbers, reports to show filtered task lists or updates, images to support branding or clarity, and shortcuts to help viewers quickly navigate to key sheets or resources. Each widget serves a different purpose, so choose the ones that best match the kind of information you want to communicate. Once the widgets are in place, connect them to your sheets or reports. This step is what makes the dashboard useful and dynamic. By linking widgets to live data, your dashboard can reflect what's happening in your project instead of becoming a static page. For example, a chart can pull directly from sheet data, and a report widget can display the latest filtered items. Make sure each connection points to the correct source so the information shown is accurate and relevant. After that, arrange the dashboard in a clean layout. Organization matters because even a dashboard with great data can be hard to use if it feels cluttered. Place the most important information near the top, group related widgets together, and leave enough space so the screen feels easy to scan. A clean layout helps viewers understand the dashboard quickly, especially during meetings or status reviews. When everything looks right, share the dashboard with your team or stakeholders. This allows others to view the information in one place and stay aligned on progress, priorities, and outcomes. Before sharing, it's a good idea to review the dashboard once more to make sure the content is clear and the layout is polished. Finally, keep the dashboard current by updating the connected sheets. Since the dashboard pulls from those sources, maintaining the underlying data ensures that what people see remains accurate over time. And that's how to create a Smartsheet dashboard that is clear, useful, and easy to maintain.